I'm at Sunny Point. It's right off of the nice private lot, campfire pit down below. The backyard, they've got really nice setup, patio setup out here. And again, super private back here. And they've got the nice 2-car garage, extra deep for all the extra storage. Coming in off the garage, they've got their laundry and half bath here with a wash sink. They're all nice sized bedrooms. Little island in the kitchen. They've got nice new appliances. Nice deck out back. We've got lots of nice storage closets throughout the end of the hallways. This would be the primary bedroom. With master suite, ensuite. Coming downstairs, they just remodeled all of this. It's got a nice rec room and bar area. It's a fireplace. It is a wet bar with the sink. Walkout basement. There's just some storage closets. We've got the full bath downstairs. Electric panel and bedroom. This one doesn't have any windows in it, but you do have the walkout basement and the stairs going up, so you do have 2 exits. And then they have this as a nice gym area or more storage. And just some more storage under the stairs.